Welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you how to recharge the refrigerant in your air conditioning system on your vehicle. What you'll need to do this job is a canister of refrigerant, a transfer hose or recharge hose, and a pressure gauge. I picked up this canister at Walmart for about $19 and it included the recharge hose and pressure gauge. The pressure gauge is used to tell you how much product you need to put into the air conditioning system, and the amount is dependent upon the ambient temperature. Right now here it's about 80 degrees, so we will be putting in a pressure of about between 40 and 50 psi. The next step in the process is to locate the low pressure fill port on your air conditioning system. On this particular vehicle it is located here. Typically these will be covered with a plastic cap. Remove that cap and then install the recharge hose onto the port. This is a quick disconnect. You'll basically pull it back and then release it after it's been pushed in. This is at kind of an awkward angle, so it takes a little bit to get it in place. Pull back, push in. Okay, it is in place. Next, you need to start your vehicle and put the air conditioning system on at maximum, and then wait till the compressor cycles on before adding product. During the recharging process, we will also be moving the fill canister and agitating it basically to allow for the fluid to flow through, and we also need to shake the canister before releasing the pressure. So we'll agitate it by going from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, and we'll shake the product ahead of time. I'm explaining this to you now because when the engine's on you won't be able to hear me. You'll notice that without the vehicle running that the pressure is outside of the range that's recommended for the fill. That will go down as the vehicle runs. Well, I just took the truck out for a test drive and the annoying compressor whine is gone. The air conditioning system is kicking out cold AC, so I'm real happy, just in time for the nice warm weather here in Central Florida. And it only cost me $20, so I'm pretty pleased. Hey, if you like what you're seeing on the shop, please subscribe. Thank you.